Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do this super colorful glittery look. So if you would like to learn how to do that, then keep on watching. Alright, so I've already primed and set my lids. I'm going to start by using the Morphe 35B palette. We're going to take this pink color right here and put this down as our transition shade.
Hey, beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. Love your imperfections, every angle. Tomorrow comes and goes.
Alright, and next we're gonna take this pink right here and deepen up our crease. I'm gonna use this little pencil brush kinda and put that pink right into my crease.
Now we're back, what is some Henny got you faded? Saying you the one for me, I need to face it. Started when we were younger. Swear to God that I loved her. Sorry that your mom found out.
Alright. Next I'm gonna take this burgundy color right here and using this same brush I'm gonna get all the extra makeup off of it and deepen my crease even more.
Tomorrow comes and goes before you know. So I just had to let you know the way that dress fall off you is amazing.
Next I'm gonna take this purple right here and with this brush right here, I'm going to use this as like my final color to fully deepen up my crease. Okay, I know I said that was the last color, but actually I'm gonna take this even darker purple, which is right there. You can't really see it, but that one right there, and that's the same little detail brush, and just deepen that even more.
So I just had to let you know the way that Gucci look on you amazing, but nothing can compare to when you're naked, better when you hate.
Alright, now we are going to cut the crease. So using my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and a little flat concealer brush, I'm going to begin to shape out the shape of my cut crease.
I just had to let you know.
Now I'm just gonna set it with some air spun powder so that all that concealer doesn't just go all over my makeup that I spent 20 minutes on. Going back into this palette, I'm gonna take this yellow color right here and put that right in the middle of my crease, or not necessarily the middle, but my inner corner. Alright, next I'm going to take this orange color right here and just fill in the rest of my crease. Alright, so now I'm just going to take the purples and fill in this kind of like outer crease area. Now that my eyes are all done, or at least my eyelids, I'm going to take some concealer on a little beauty blender and begin to set the bottom lash line. Alright, so now that my lower lash line is primed and set, I'm going to take my Morphe palette and a little flat brush, not like flat widthwise, but lengthwise. It's just kind of like short, the hairs are really short, and take the same colors that I used outside my crease, so like the pinks and the purples, and just replicate them on my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to use my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk and just line my waterlines. Next, taking the NYX glitter primer, I'm going to put down some yellow and orange glitter on top of these two colors. So on these glitters, they say glittermyworld.com. I got them from Super Glitters. I don't know if that's like the same brand. I don't know if they're sister brands, but I love these glitters. You get them for like under $1 for each pan, and this little pan of glitter is gonna last me forever, and I love it. I have a drawer full of them. I spent probably like $15 buying a whole set of glitters. It was amazing. I love this glitter so much. So with the primer, I like to just squeeze some of it onto the back of my hand and then take a Q-tip and just dab all the glue on there and then put the glitter on top. So now that that glitter is on there, I'm going to take a little piece of just painter's tape and just tap it on my face to get all of the extra glitter off. Next is just mascara and lashes, and I'll be right back for that. Alright, and there you go. You are all done.